How do I check if an element is hidden in jQuery? How do I toggle the visibility of an element using .hide, .show, or .toggle? How do I test if an element is visible or hidden? Since the question refers to a single element, this code might be more suitable. Check CSS content for display, none or block, ignores visibility, true or false. The same works with hidden. It is the same as Twern's suggestion, but applied to a single element, and it matches the algorithm recommended in the jQuery frequently asked questions. We use jQueries, to check the selected element with another element, selector or any jQuery object. This method traverses along the DOM elements to find a match, which satisfies the passed parameter. It will return true if there is a match, otherwise return false. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to learn JavaScript. We have a number of awesome tutorials in the works.